Hi everyone, I'm Elaina. On this channel, you'll find creative makeup looks, face paint, drag, celebrity impersonations, you name it. I'm on season 2 of Painted as Raven. You can watch me on Wow Presents Plus. So in this video, we're reviewing a relatively new collection. I received PR from Kimchichic Beauty, a bunch of palettes and a beautiful, very chic, very beautiful palette we're using on the eyes today. It's called Chic. Looks like this, and a couple of other things. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to ring notification bell. Follow my social media, all the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So as you guys might know, Kimchichic Beauty PR list on Kimchichic Beauty Squad, and I've been for a while, and I usually get like all the big new releases. So my discount code is Elaina Glam, so you can get extra 15% off if you guys are interested. And in this video, we're doing this look with the Chic palette. I'm gonna show you swatches of just this palette because it's too much pain in my butt to do all 4 of them. That's way too long. But you know, Kimchi swatch is great. I'm always impressed with quality, and it seems like every time I get a new palette, I'm like, wow, they up the quality somehow. I don't know what it is, but it seems like every time it's better and creamier. The glitter somewhat is in like sticky, and the shimmer some most fabulous. Like it seems like it gets better and better. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I received this a little late. It's been out already. It's not like it's coming out now. It's been out. And the reason being because actually it's a good thing for Kimchi Beauty. So thank you for sending me PR package, first of all. Thank you guys if you're watching. And congratulations on sales. I know that some of their TikTok videos went viral. And I'm such a bad supporter because I'm never on TikTok, so I have no idea which one. But I imagine something from this. And they had so many sales that they actually were kind of late with the PR packages, which is a great reason for the brand. So congratulations. That's great that they sold so many. So now we get into meat and potatoes of this. So this is Chic, and this is 15 color palette. It does have glitters, although I always say I don't like glitters in my palette, but the quality of these glitters are great. And it has a black, like, thank you, finally somebody listened to me. So this palette is $30. And yeah, so the quality of this palette, like the packaging, what do you call it, component, is better. I wouldn't say like better, but it's more like luxe, because you see it's like a plastic, and it's like the mirror is large. It's like, it's very sleek, very shiny. It looks like very expensive item, you know. Her stuff doesn't look cheap. I'm not saying it looks cheap, but it usually like, see, like a cardboard thing versus this. So, you know, that's why it's a little more. So this is 15 colors, and all of these are called Donut Collection, and this all $20 each, which is very fair. And they all have 16 colors. That's a great deal. Like, I would grab this totally. This is a great rainbow palette. I mean, it's not the deepest, but there's black here, like, hello. And the shimmers and the glitters, amazing. This shimmer in particular, gorgeous. It's like a kind of a fairy dust shimmer. And this glitter, oh, look at that glitter. Oh my god. I'm like fanning over the glitter. The formulas are great. Like I said, it sticks. It doesn't need a primer, and it's very smooth. Like, I still have the glitter on my eyelids. Look good. Alright, so this one is called Rainbow Sprinkles. This one is called Strawberries and Cream. And look, they have very plump kimchi on each palette. I'm not shading, it's just funny. They make her look like fruits, strawberries or donuts. And this one is pink, very pretty too, as white. Like, I'm very happy when I see a black and white. Like, I haven't seen black and white together. Like, they need to marry them in one palette and like drag them together in one palette and plop it in there. And I'll be like, I'm so shady. Anyways, the glitters are great. Again, I have the glitter on my lips, and the brown is brown. But for every day, like I was saying, at the end of this video, there is something for everybody in this collection. There's something for like a really pretty pastels, or the rainbows, or like a pink, like subtle, or this very cherry, very bright and very deep. And this one is pretty deep and brown, so it can create neutral looks, and there is glitter. So, and for 20 bucks, you can get each of them with 15% off with Elaina Glam. Anyway, I'm just making fun of myself. And there is that lip gloss. It's called Chic. And let's watch the lip gloss since I haven't opened it yet. And by the way, I was gonna use it, like I said at the end. But it all went downhill once I applied the glitter on my lips. And I'm like, forget it. Let's see. That smells like cherries. You know what it smells like? It smells like a cherry-flavored cough syrup. Or NyQuil. I'm not cheating, just saying it smells like it, which, mind you, I like the smell of the syrups. If I get sick, I actually like the taste of it. My husband hates it, but I like it. I'm real off the topic, but yeah. So this is cute. It doesn't look like it has any color, like it looks like it's pink, but kind of looks clear once you apply it. And we got the cleansing. I'm very excited about this. I haven't filmed the end of the video yet, but once I clean the brushes, I'm gonna be using this. So this says suction cups. I guess you can put it like on a table, just suction cup or whatever inside the sink maybe, and do the swishy. It's gonna work. And we got the soap. Oh wait, I didn't tell you the price. So the lip gloss is 12 bucks, so that's very decent. And the pad itself is 7 bucks. That's pretty good too. And the soap is $18, so that's gonna last you a long way. So it's a really cute packaging too. It says brush bathtub. Looks like this. And it has the bathtub and it has a little pad there too. Oh yeah, there's a pad on the other side, so there's another pad, so you can swish the brush and just like clean over there. Smells good. This one actually I like the smell a lot. Smell kind of like a spa, like a herbal spa or something. Real pretty. So I'm gonna film this separately so you guys can see how it works. So yeah, that was 18 bucks. So that's a whole collection. So I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna swatch it for you, but you can see, you know, it works really well. Gave it away as usual. So yeah, very happy with this one. So let me swatch it on my arm off camera because I'm too lazy to do it on camera. And I'll show you just the cherry one. So here we got the swatches. The swatch is actually excellent. I mean, I just use it in my eyes. I don't know why I'm surprised, but you know, like it is. Sometimes in the dry skin, it doesn't really swatch that great. I don't have even swatches. I just don't know how people make them neat and even. I just can't with my fingers. But as I was saying it when I was filming it, some of the colors look very similar. So that's the only thing I have a problem with it. It's like way too close, and when you blend it in the eyes, they look exactly the same. So that's the only thing. Like I wish it was smaller with maybe less reds because they kind of blend into the same color, or put different colors in there. Maybe I don't know, something, make up something. But other than that, it's a perfect palette. The quality, creamy, the glitter is excellent, and the shimmer, so the gold is beautiful. Yeah, so I'm very happy with it. There's only one shimmer. Actually, excuse me, there's two. There's this one here, the red shimmer, and there's 4, so 2 glitters, 2 shimmers, and I think the balance is excellent. They're all mattes, and the rest of them shimmers. I just wish the color story was a little more versatile, but other than that, it's very nice, and the black is real good. So pretty happy with this. So let's get into the quick tutorial and you'll see my final look. I mean, you already can see it. Let's get it. So I'm sitting here with this beautiful Cherry Chic palette. So I already swatched it probably in the beginning of the video. I mean, I haven't yet, but you know how it goes. I film it and I swatch it. I haven't had a talking video in a while. I've been kind of like blah with YouTube, you know how it is. Unless you made it famous like years ago, you're not going anywhere. But this is beautiful and this needs to be filmed. So this is cherry, of course, and I wanted to go with this palette. They sent me, of course, like a lot of them, but even though I was like itching to do a rainbow look, but all I've been doing is rainbow looks, and this is very luxe. So we're gonna start with the line as usual. I'm just gonna go kind of a swish between the cherry colors. Kind of cool tone and then warm tone. I use them all. Very pigmented, blends easily and well. I already primed myself, just like regular primer. This was something from BoxyCharm. It's called Angel Eyes. It's like a skin tone, and it's opaque. That's pretty much it. So I went with this first, then I added a little more red, and actually I take it back. This looks totally different than this on the eyelid. I can clearly see more red. And I'm gonna blend it with pink, and that's what makes it more similar. Because pink is so much more cooler toned, I would say. So pink makes it more of a cherry cool tone color. Alright, so got the basic crease, just very... it doesn't have to be precise, because I'm gonna draw the lines as usual, because I can't go without lines. So I'm gonna use actually a different palette, the rainbow palette here. This one is called the Rainbow Sprinkles. So this lime color, there is a gold shimmer here. It's kind of similar, right? But this one is more green, and I want it to be more green rather than gold. And look at that color, it is so pretty. The shimmers are so buttery, the quality is outstanding. I mean, it's always outstanding, but sometimes like each palette I receive feels like it's getting better and better and getting more and more buttery. Like the shimmers, it's just so good in these palettes. Look at that color, it's so pretty. Well, now we're gonna make it more green, and of course I'm gonna go for glitter. Like, what did you expect? Did you expect me not to use glitter? The green one, it's beautiful. Ah, it's gorgeous. And I've got to tell you, I mean, I like glitter formula from Kimchi. I always say Profusion glitter is my favorite, but Kimchi might be taking the place. Can you imagine, dare she compare cheap Profusion with Kimchichic Beauty? Yeah, it's very creamy, but not to the point that it's greasy. It sticks together, doesn't need a primer. It applies opaque and falls out a little bit, but not too much. It's pretty much like a perfect glitter formula. And then I'm gonna blend it with mattes. I decided to go with the green on the bottom. So I'll go a little bit of that same shimmer I started with. And then I'm gonna go with mattes. So mattes we're gonna use from this palette. The lighter, the darker green, and the black. And hallelujah, there's black. I'm always so happy when brands put black. I'm like, finally, somebody listened to me. Somebody listened to me bitch and moan in my video and said, you know what, Elaina and Glam has been bitching about the black. Let's put the black in the next palette. As if. And are you ready for the black? So we're gonna use a black now. Oh, that's black. That is black, black, black. I'm very, very happy about this, as you can see. In case you can't tell, I'm very happy. I think I'll need my green contact lenses for this look. So I blended my low lash line in the same manner, and I put Kimchi White Concealer the most. In the inner corner, we're gonna set it with green and yellow, because I want this kind of a similar color as my eyelid. This and this mixed together. So this is a finished look. I did a lot off camera because my look was almost finished when I stopped talking. And I put the gems, of course, the cherries here. I had to put some gems. I mean, what can you do? It's a cherry palette, gotta be cherries. And I used glitter from palettes. I used the one from this one, but it's more pink. And there is also a red glitter in the strawberry palette. It's very creamy, very saturated. I used Kimchi liquid lipstick date night and some lip liners, like a darker color, because I wanted to make this look kind of a half drag, half just a beauty look, like drag inspired with the big DSL lips and the big eyeballs. I mean, it's drag except for the wig and the nose contour. But yeah, the glitter went on the liquid lipstick because liquid lipstick is not sticky, right? But the glitter just attached to it just easily, just like that. So that's great glitter. So the only thing, I mean, a couple of things I haven't used yet is brush cleansing pad. It's the one I showed you in the beginning, and the soap. I'm actually gonna do this off camera and film this, and I'm gonna insert the video. And you're going to find out whether I like it or not. I mean, most likely I'm gonna like it. It looks like a very cool idea. So this is my husband assisting me with cleaning the brush. And as you can see, here's the soap, here's the pad in the kitchen. It sucks to the kitchen sink very well with the suction cups. You see, this brush is very clean actually. So the eyeshadow powder came off really easy. If you see the bar of soap, that's what I usually use to clean the brushes. Now this is for the cream contour. And as you can see, it's a little more of a struggle, but cream so it's harder to wash. Seems like the soap is a little softer than the regular, like a harsh antibacterial bar of soap I use. So that's a second go, and it still has a little product in it. You just have to work a little bit more on it. But the soap is very good, very aromatic. It works really well. It's probably more gentle than that bar of soap I use. And also I did not use the cherry lip gloss because I was going to until I started to slather myself with glitter. I'm like, oops, well, too late now. But I mean, it's just a lip gloss. And of course the palettes, there's something for anyone. There is the, oops, almost lost it. There's the rainbow one for rainbow queens like me. And there's the pink one for pink queens like me as well. I like this one. Actually, I like a lot in this collection. Except for the brown. I mean, I just can't. I don't like neutrals. But you know, for everyday life, if such thing exists for normal people, this would be it. And the glitters are amazing here as well. Since I didn't really swatch much, you know, you can see the prettiness. Is it in focus? I'm not sure. But yeah, the glitters, all the glitter formulas are great, like in all palettes. So, and of course this one looks the most luxe. I just love the look of this palette, the feel, the expensive heavy feel, the big mirror, everything about this palette is so pretty. I'm just attracted to it, even though I usually don't like reds. Like, this is really pretty. So go shop, check it out. I'm going to link my link as usual. You can shop with Elaina Glam for extra 15% off. And good luck shopping. This is not new, by the way. You know that, right? I just received it a little late because I had like extremely good sales and they are backed up. But I mean, long story. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you picked it up because it's obviously not new. And as usual, thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to ring notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!